Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my name is Ali. I'm your physics teacher, and in today's class we are going to learn a topic of physics of 10th class, chapter number 13, and the topic name is electrostatic induction. Students, it is a phenomena. We are going to learn the definition of this term electrostatic induction, that when a charged body is brought close to an insulated conductor, the near end of the conductor develops an unlike charge while the far end of the conductor develops a like charge. This separation of charges is called electrostatic induction. So to understand this definition, we have a diagram below. We will explain by this. But before, you have to keep in mind few points, that in previous lecture you have learned that production of charges by friction, by rubbing two objects against each other, the charge will be shifted from one object to the surface of other object. But students, in case of electrostatic induction, the charge induced on the other object by the one charged body when it comes closer to it, but this charge is not due to the shifting of charges. Overall, the body remains neutral on which this charge is induced. But as we will bring the first body, charge body, away, the charge will redistribute and body again become neutral. So as you can see in the diagram, in the first diagram there are two insulated conductors have a sphere shape A and B, and in the next you can see we have a charged body, positively charged body, which we have brought near to these two bodies A and B, which are close to each other, and you can see they are just touching each other. Maybe you can see some separation there, but in actual case they are not separated. The charges from the body to these A and B both, the negative charge will shift near to the other body because it is positively charged, they will be attracted, and the similar charge positive will be repelled by the body and they will shift on the other corner or the other side of the body. Students, if we will keep these bodies A and B closer to each other so they can touch each other, the charges, as they are conductors, the electrons can move through them. So the near the charged body, it will get negative charge, and at the far end it will get positive charge. Students, question is there, as I have told previously, that there is no shifting of charge, no permanent charge on the body in case of electrostatic induction, but in case of friction, rubbing the bodies against each other, the charge is permanent. Can we charge the bodies permanently by electrostatic induction? The answer is yes. We can explain it by the same example as we are explaining already, that if we will get these two bodies separated by each other before bringing the charged body away from them. If we will bring the charged body away from them before separation, the charge will be redistributed and they become neutral. But if we'll separate them before bringing the charged body away from them, the one body will get the negative charge permanently and the other body will get positive charge permanently. You can see here the body A in the D diagram is negatively charged and the body B in the D diagram is positively charged. Students, I have explained everything in the example after definition, but we are going to read this theoretically in your slide. Bring two metal sphere A and B and fix them on insulated stands such that they touch each other as shown in figure. Now bring a positively charged rod near sphere A shown in figure 13.5. Rod will attract negative charge and repel positive charge away from it. Negative charges will appear on left surface of sphere A, while positive charge will appear on the right side of sphere B. Now separate the spheres while the rod is still near the A, then remove the rod. Charges are uniformly distributed over the surface of sphere A and B. One will be positively charged and other will be negatively charged. So students, just simple, it is a phenomena that one charged body can induce a temporary charge on the other body on both ends, negative on one end and positive on the other end. But if we have to charge permanently body, we can do as here we have done in the previous example. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.